On a sunlit street, a poised interview unravels when a gust topples the foam board set, revealing a flurry of chaos. The crew scrambles as camera operators chase cables, while the mic captures startled laughs and a vendor's surprised grin. Yet the stumble seeds an unexpectedly warm moment where genuine improvisation beats a flawless shot every time. A stray balloon drifts by, catching the frame and turning the scene into a playful street microdrama. The final cut fades with cheers, proving that unplanned chaos can sculpt the most memorable footage.